Hello everyone. In this video, you're going to learn about X++ coding to update or delete any record. Okay, so from a table, let me just show you some sample code. Okay, for example, if I wanted to update any record, let's say I wanted to update from the customer table. So what I'll do first, I'll just create the variable for the customer table. So customer table is like cust table. Okay, create the variable for the cust table. Okay, so now what I have to do, I wanted to update some customer name. I wanted to update one customer name, and I'm just writing in such a way that select for update, and select for update what you need to update for that particular table name. You need to give cust table. Okay, select for update cust table, where let's say for which record that you wanted to update. Okay, let's for me, the which record, in the sense, let's say cast table dot, let me pick any fields here. Cast table dot account number something. No, let me just pick something. Okay, cast table dot account number is equals to let's say I have one account number. For this account number, okay, for this account number, I wanted to, let's say if it is a string. Okay, so for this account number, I wanted to update a name. Okay, so now cast table dot name is equals to test. Let's say I just wanted to write it a test, and after that again dot update, dot update. This is how you need to write. Okay, so what I'm trying to write is, for the account number 7898765, I'm going to update the name as test, and I'm writing a update here to update the record which we are trying to give the some new name. Okay, so for this account number, it will be updated to a test, the name as test, customer name as test. Okay, like this. Or the same way, if you wanted to delete, okay, if you wanted to delete, what you can just do it is, while select for update, same, while select, sorry, this is select, right? So if you wanted to delete a customer, if you have a multiple, so what you can write, while select for update and customer table, same. For example, if you want to delete this account number record, okay, so what you can just do here, you can write and directly cust table dot delete. You can delete it directly like this. Let me write, let's say I wanted to delete it, while select for update cust table dot account number. For this, I need to delete complete data. Okay, so what I'll do, now dot delete. Okay, so that it will delete the data. So that's how update and delete method works in X++. So like, subscribe for more videos. If you want anything, I mean any particular topic, let me know. If I have times, definitely I'll make the video for that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.